There's a new weapon in the war against fire, a way to protect a building simply by painting it. Fire-Free 88 is a latex-based fire-resistant coating that can contain and prevent the spread of fire. In extensive testing and demonstrations held across the country, Fire-Free 88 has proven its ability to help prevent the spread of fire. At the Enrico County Fire Training Center near Richmond, Virginia, 2 buildings are set ablaze with the same fire source. One is coated with Fire-Free 88, the other left unpainted. Within minutes, the uncoated structure is fully involved, while the coated unit, with the fire raging inside, is only warm to the touch. After 25 minutes, the fire goes out, leaving the Fire-Free 88 protected building intact. At San Francisco's 3Com Park, on the anniversary of the Loma Prieta earthquake, 2 identical structures are placed just 4 inches apart, a common situation in the Bay Area. Both have the same fuel load and are set ablaze at the same time. The orange building is painted with standard latex house paint. The blue structure is coated with Fire-Free 88. Within 10 minutes, the fire in the orange building reaches flashover temperatures and becomes fully engulfed. The fire in the blue building never flashes over in the 35 minutes it takes for the fuel to burn itself out. Considerably less smoke is generated, and the outside surfaces of the blue building remain cool to the touch throughout the demonstration. Although there is limited damage where the fire originated, the flames never breach the walls or ceiling. In a real-world situation, this could be the difference between losing a single room and losing a house or an entire block of homes. It could also be the difference between life and death.